Yeah, sure. And Vedant, it is asking for your permission to
Share
share
the
the
screen.
screen.
Yes, 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 sir. Just a sec, sir. It's done, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so Miras Leisure and Entertainment. So Miras is a huge giant group which is basically into construction property development. Yeah. Uh, and basically the key role for Miras in Dubai and UAE is to create a urban lifestyle. Basically, we are into creating urban destinations. Yeah. We also have like properties, community development. We are into hotels like Alsif, Hilton, Caesar Palace, Bulgari, and Rove hotels. We have n number of hotels under art. I'll talk more about the leisure entertainment attractions. These are the destinations where all Viras is present. Few of the very popular which are new destinations where in Dubai is coming up. This giant wheel. Uh, that's going to be coming up soon as well. City Walk, Jumeirah Bay. We have Kite Beach, Last Exit. These are one of the most popular destinations. Coming to leisure part, these are the attractions that are under our portfolio: Laguna Water Park, Green Planet, Mattel Playtown, Splash Pad, and Roxy Cinemas. Just a brief about leisure and entertainment. We welcomed over 3 million visitors in 2019. Miras LNE develops and operate innovative world-class leisure and entertainment concepts and destinations. So we are located in the seat in the located across the city and appealing to diverse interests. Miras LNE attractions are redefining Dubai leisures and entertainment landscape. So we offer exceptional experiences that enrich community and support yeah and support Dubai tourism vision. So we basically strive to be the number one go-to place for fun with family and friends in the region. This is where we are located. I mean, where we are located in the Dubai's prime location, like the beach, JBR, City Walk, and La Mer. Starting with Laguna Water Park. Yeah, Laguna Water Park is a water park which is located in La Mer. So it's a boutique kind of water park. It's amazing. The view itself from the water park is it's right next to the beach. Yeah, and we are very boutique kind of experience. Yeah, we have 13 different attractions in the park. The beauty about our water park is the ticket. The ticket includes all you can eat package. You can have unlimited food with the park access. Free beach access. So as we are right next to the beach, the beauty about it is you can exit the water park, access the beach, come back and enter again the water park, unlimited of time on a particular day. Yeah, a fully licensed bar for evening entertainment, which is also there inside the water park. It's called the Bungalow. Yeah, and it's definitely fun for family and friends. This is the map of Laguna Water Park. This is how it looks from an aerial view. As I mentioned, 13 attractions. As I've highlighted, 16 points, which is the 13 attractions, and cafe, pool, beach is what we have as to offer. Uh, just want to name out few of our USPs, few of our hero rides. Like Waveo's 180 flow rider. Waveo's is basically a 180-degree surfing board. So Waveo's, I would like to stress, there are only three Waveo's in the world, and we are we are the only one in the region. Yeah, we offer experiences for beginners, daring, and the pros. Manta is again a slide. So it's basically a raft, kind of like a tube. You can go with your family, you can go with your friends together. Like three or four can fit in this thing, and you go on a slide with a twist and turn and dropping on the massive Manta wing, experiencing zero gravity when it drops. Aqua play is for young kids, basically. For so as we state that we strive to be the number one for family and friends. So it's basically perfect for family, for kids, for even for young adventure. It's basically for all ages. There is a short video which I would like to play. Yeah, that's about it from Laguna. Moving to Green Planet. Vedant, do you want to do the Q&A attraction wise, or shall we do the Q&A in the end? I think in the end better, right?
Sir, in the end, we will do a Q&A session.
Okay, done. So I'll move to Green Planet. Green Planet. This is basically one of my favorite attraction. This is how the building and the structure is. So it's basically a tropical rainforest kind of a concept. Yeah, I'll just brief you. So the building is seven floors, but it is divided into 4 levels. Yeah, so 4 levels designed to recreate different and distinct ecosystem. This is how the levels are divided. It's basically the canopy level, the mid-story level, the forest level, and the flooded rainforest. This is this is the internal structure of the tree of the Green Planet. It's basically the iconic building facility home to the region's largest indoor tree and over 3,000 living species. I just want to mention something about the beauty about the tree. This tree is the region's largest man-made tree. Yeah, so it's basically a combination of science, technology, and nature. As I said, it's a man-made tree. The structure of the tree is artificial, but whatever growing on the tree, like you can see lot of fruits, lot of plants and leaves, that is natural. So it's basically a combination of nature and science. Yeah, so explore and interact with whole new world of exotic flora and fauna in this fully immersible tropical forest. It's basically fully immersible. Like when you enter Green Planet, you take the elevator, you go on the top level. The moment you start your experience, as if you are inside a forest. Yeah, you're basically walking down on the path, and then it's like it's fully temperature controlled. Be it outside 40 degrees, 42 degrees, whatever this thing your month you're going in, but inside it's a temperature control. Yeah, the delicate layers of the forest will give you immersed and surrounded with animals roaming, floating, hanging, and crawling at each turn. Why I'm stressing on roaming, floating, hanging, and crawling? This is what difference it makes Green Planet than other zoos in the world. Like you go to any zoo. In zoo, all the animals are behind the cage, right? In Green Planet, all the animals are free. None of the animals are behind the cage. So as you're walking, you will see birds flying. You'll see crawling animals and all this stuff floating. Yeah, and Green Planet is built to bring you closer to most beloved animals on the planet. At the home to the region's largest indoor man-made tree, which I already mentioned, over 3,000 living species. Be prepared to some nice clicks with these exhibits. Okay, so as we have 3,000 species, I mean, I can't list them all as respecting the time. I will just mention our hero exhibits. Toucan is what we have. We have leafcutter ants, red-eye tree frog, panther chameleon, red-billed piranha, cotton-top tamarin, macaw, two-toed sloth, emerald tree boa. Out of these exhibits, I will just mention some key points about these exhibits. We're starting with piranha. I mean, I'm sure you might have seen the movie Piranha or heard about the movie Piranha. As you've seen in the movie Piranha, piranhas attack. No, so that's basically a wrong perception. Piranha are basically scavengers. They don't hunt. They don't hunt any human being or anything. They will just hunt while they want to eat, and they hunt only on dead species. If you're lucky enough in Green Planet, every day at 4 p.m. we do piranha feeding. So we throw meat in the tank, and within few seconds piranhas attack. They eat all the meat, and all the bones fall down. You know. Okay, other hero exhibit is the sloth. Is the two-toed sloth. Is basically a monkey kind of a animal. So we have three sloths in Green Planet. There are two girls and one boy. They are 5 years old. Yeah, and they are one of the most laziest animals. They sleep for over 18 hours in a day. Yeah. Coming to emerald tree boa. So tree boa, as you can see, it's a green color snake. When they are born, they are red and orange in color. As they are grown up, they become green. No? Cotton top tamarin are very rare species in the world. They are basically endangered animals. We have two of them, two brothers, twins. Yeah, moving on. These are few of our encounter experiences. What we have. So once we have is the basic ticket. Then we also have encounter. You can see sloth. You can do encounter with sloth. You can do an encounter with birds. You can do encounter with reptiles. And then as you can see, a guy holding a python. Python is also you can hold the python in your hand, and take some nice pictures. In terms of snakes, we have over 60 plus snakes in our park. Interactive and educational content. Sorry, Aaron, it's picture is not coming. Okay, anyways, I'll move ahead. So it's basically child friendly, but it's suitable for all ages. Yeah, with all the unique educational exhibits and animal interaction. So there's so much of educational content in it that this is so much to learn. We have educators on each and every touch points in the park who can brief you about the exhibits. Uh, why it's coming blurred? Let me try to play the video. Yeah, sorry. Moving ahead, Mattel Playtown. Mattel Playtown is a UK franchisee. Yeah, it's basically a edu play kind of a concept. We have strong IPs, like very popular cartoon characters, like Thomas the Friends, Fireman Sam, Barney, Bob the Builder, Angelina. Barry. Kids, they love it absolutely. I mean, when they enter the park, you should see them enjoying the park. So basically the theme park is basically for kids, which is between 2 to 10 years, which is basically perfect for their age. Yeah. Okay, moving on. I will not take much of time on these attractions as the key attractions for tourist market, for India market, is Laguna Water Park and Green Planet. Yeah, I will also mention what other we have. So Splash Pad is basically in a layman language is a mini water park for kids. Yeah, the kids basically from 1 year to 12 years. It's a water play kind of activity, which is located in Jumeirah Beach Residence in the beach. Yeah, water is temperature controlled. We have trained lifeguard. We have daily games and activities. Playground blocks is what we have, and we have changing facilities in there. Roxy Cinemas. Okay, cinemas. I mean, Roxy Cinemas is basically how different we are with other cinemas. We are very boutique kind of cinema. We are a premium cinema. We focus on platinum screens. We focus on very like you can see the red color seats. I mean, this kind of sofa, with service on the chair. So currently we are located in GBR, the beach, Lamer, Box Park, and City Walk. And then we have a couple of more locations opening soon in this year. We are also coming up with drive-in cinema. Like you can go in your car and watch the in while sitting in your car. Yeah, that's about it. Thank you. Over to you, Vedant.
Thank you, sir. It was a wonderful presentation. I've seen that Green Planet is a like it's unbelievable things. And
Exactly. Yeah. Compared to other.
now, friends, it's a Q&A time. If you have any questions, please ask. Miss Simran Kaur is asking how water park shall operate considering COVID. Right now, they are not
Sorry, your voice.
operate. Actually, she is
Yeah.
asking
So,
like how.
sorry, come again. I mean, what was the question again?
The question was how water park shall operate considering COVID, like about
Okay.
social
So see,
distancing or any like what factors, what measures you will take.
okay. Well, perfect. Yeah, I would love to answer this. Yes, see, Pradeep, now definitely at the situation we are not operating and it's closed. I mean, good thing as we speak. I mean, 2 days back we have got the authority approval to open few parks. So currently we are opening Roxy Cinemas and Green Planet. I think Green Planet and Roxy Cinema will be open next week within few days. Laguna Water Park will be in a couple of weeks. Okay, in terms of measures, see, I mean, the basic measures what we have to follow from as per authority is wearing mask, disposable gloves. I mean, we'll be also putting foot marks. But when you queue for ticketing counter, like just to maintain a social distance of 2 meters. Okay, over and above this, what Mirage Group is following. I mean, we are always ahead. We always think definitely in terms of the guest perspective. We are installing sterilization tunnels in all our attractions. So any guest who will enter our attraction has to pass through the tunnel. So tunnel basically there are sprinklers with sanitizers which will sterilize your whole body or your clothes. And then we are also installing floor mats which will sterilize basically your heel and the sole of your shoes. Which basically will not spread. So yeah, that is the basic measures what we are taking.
The second question is from Miss Seema Gujral, Yadin Travels, Hyderabad. She is asking any hotel in water park inside the park.
No, there's no hotel inside the park, but there are a couple of hotels located nearby. Because I mean, Lamer is located in Jumeirah, in Jumeirah Street, but there are a lot of water parks. In terms of location, Lamer is basically 15 minutes drive to Bar Dubai and 15 minutes drive to Dubai Mall. So it's basically in center. So it's very
Center point.
strategic. Yeah, very much accessible. I mean, most of the Indians they prefer staying in Bar Dubai. Dubai Mall is a must attraction, so must visit. So yeah,
Sir, in Laguna Park, do you have any meal plan?
yes, Laguna Park is all you can eat. So I mean, the ticket what you purchase is all you can eat, unlimited food. That is the beauty about our park, compared to other water parks.
Like it's a lunch, dinner, breakfast, yeah, all
Anytime,
anytime.
anytime. We have a cafe inside, and also I would like to add. So there is a list of menu. In that we also have Indian options. So in case your guest would prefer having an Indian meal, that is also there in the option.
The third question is from Simran also about the meals. What about veg and Jain meal?
Jain meal we don't have veg. Yes, we do have. But it's a good point, Simran. I would definitely talk to my operations and I will ask them to have that category as well. Definitely, we can do that. I mean, we have our own chef, so it's not a problem creating a Jain meal.
Any other questions, please?
Feel free, guys. I mean, you can ask.
Sir,
I have a question.
what is actually I've did a option of private questions. They can ask only to me, so I have not opened
Okay,
the publicly. The
no
third
problem.
sir, the fourth one is I just want to ask, like, what is the USP of Laguna Water Park as compared to other water parks? Because there are so many water parks, Wadi over there,
Hmm.
other water parks also,
Correct. So
Legoland water parks.
this question is coming from you, Vedant, or is somebody else?
It's a general question, sir.
I mean, yeah, I mean, I like such kind of questions. When it's a comparison, definitely, I would love to answer this. Yes. So see, I mean, as Laguna, as I mentioned, it's a very boutique kind of attraction. Yeah, a boutique kind of attraction. The USP what we have is unlimited food and beverage, which no water park is offering. The price point we are very economically priced compared to others. I mean, these guys are kind of charging a hefty amount. Maybe they are very big. They are, you know, whatever. I mean, their strategy is different. So our strategy is to keep it economically priced, which suits our Indian guest. Unlimited access is what is our USP. In other water park, if you enter, if you exit, you cannot enter back again. For in us, if you go in the morning, come back afternoon, you can come back again in the evening. So unlimited number of times. We are located in next to the beach. You can also go to the beach. There are a lot of stores to shop. There are a lot of restaurants also outside if you want to have outside food and then come back again. That is our beauty. Yeah. And then price point, of course.
Yes, I've seen your prices very genuine as compared to
Yeah,
other,
exactly.
and
Exactly.
uh, and it consists of meals. That's a very shocking thing because none of
Exactly.
the water parks give a meal plan, and you're saying unlimited, and that's a very good for
Unlimited.
me. I'm a foodie kind of person. I will
Likewise, man.
I will will not dip in the water park, but I'll definitely be in your cafe.
Yeah, exactly. And even if you go in the water park, you know, after swimming, after going to water park, you are so hungry. I mean, you feel like eating so
Yeah.
much.
Mr.
We're open.
Mr. Abhijit from Om Tourism, he's asking, he's from Patna. He's asking, is there any option for unlimited alcoholic drinks? No.
No. As of now, no. We have a license bar, like within the premises, which is basically open in evening as of moment. But we are pushing the authority to have a approval which can be opened, full time. But unlimited option we don't have. We do have certain ladies night and all that stuff. We do have like some kind of campaigns different days of the week, but along with the water park, no, it's not there.
Mocktails are available, right, sir?
Mocktails are available in the bar.
It's in the inclusive in the ticket, or it's a
No,
extra?
no, that is extra. I mean, alcohol is
That's a
extra. So only thing, only the meals and whatever the water and juices are available in the
Mr. Manish is asking, what is the timing of water park?
water park is open from morning. Now post COVID we may do certain changes, but it's open. We open at 7 a.m. from 7 p.m. But yeah, I mean once I have the confirmed timing when we start, definitely I will share with you
We
with
will
our
post
timing
them. We
also.
will post them, sir.
Yeah,
And there is an any like combinations, like in one day we can opt for two itineraries of yours, like Laguna Water Park or Splash Pad Laguna,
yeah.
yeah, or Green Pad Laguna, or Metal, yeah,
Mhm.
Green Planet or Metal. We can any combination, sir, we can make it.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. So we have a pass called the ultimate pass, which gives you access to all the parks. Yeah. But if you want anything customized, like Vedant, if you want to create for all your agents, we can definitely do it. We can talk offline. Like we can have a see, but our main popular for tourists the parks is Laguna and Green Planet. So we can always create a combo and we can give no problem. We can do
Is
that.
there any
But
like
one pass.
is there any like place over in Laguna Water Park where we can do meeting and have fun, leisure meeting?
Leisure meeting is yeah. We have this the bungalow which is restaurant which currently operated in the evening. So morning time, afternoon time is there, definitely there. We also have a helipad in Laguna. Yeah, so we also have a
Helipad.
helipad. It's an open arena kind of thing. So if you want to do any kind of events, you can do that. There is one more thing, Roxy Cinemas. So we have Roxy Cinemas also right next to Laguna, which is definitely a cinema screen, a platinum kind of this thing. You can do your private events, even your conferences there. You
Even
can use
e-
our screen microphone.
even I'm not wrong, Kite Beach is also belongs to you.
Yes, that's correct.
Kite Beach is very famous among the foreigners.
Correct, correct. So it's in the same stretch. You know, you can go to City Walk, you can go to Laguna, you can go to Kite Beach. It's basically in the same stretch.
Mr. Manish is asking distance between each one as you said for meeting.
So for meeting, okay. So for meeting, Roxy Cinemas is right next to Laguna, so it's like just hardly 5 minutes walk. Distance between I will also like to specify others. So distance between Green Planet and Laguna is 10 minutes. So we are basically all in the stretch. So it's like 10-15 minutes maximum
It's
if you're
5-10 minutes.
yes.
Okay.
But if it's Roxy, the meeting as you mentioned, it is right next to Laguna Water. Right next to Laguna Water. Just a walk.
Any other questions, please? I think nobody's asking the question. So shall we sign off, sir, for the today?
Yeah, definitely.
Mr. Manish is asking, what is the capacity of Roxy?
So capacity, see, we have different screens. So it starts from 25-seater to 120-seater. So it depends what
Okay,
kind of.
20 to 125.
Yeah,
That's a good number.
and in September we are also opening a new location in Dubai Hills. The Dubai Hills is a huge mall, which is as good as Mall of the Emirates, big. There I think our screen would be somewhere about 300 seater.
300 seats. Oh.
Yeah, that's going to be a big one.
Mr. Bijit is asking, do you have any quiz today?
Any quiz today? No, but I would love to share something. Sorry, it was very. We just like last few only few week only we arrange this webinar. I will do some.
It's an announcement to all my participants over here that we are working with Mr. Hitendra about the packages we are doing with him. So we will make some scheme over there that where you will get some discount or you get some free of cost anything.
Definitely.
So we will working out over there. We are working hardly on it. After COVID, we will launch something on behalf of Miraz Group.
Definitely, we'll do that. And also would like to add Vedant, any of your agents, if they want to come visit Laguna Water Park, more than welcome. I'm happy to give them a fam trip and uncomplimented tickets.
Oh,
I'm happy. Just for the agents to come and experience and sell in the source market. I'm happy to do it.
That's so kind of you, sir.
Any of our attraction, not only Laguna, any.
One question is, it will be operational 365 days or seasonal? Like your all
365 days.
365 days. Could you explain the meeting agenda? Acha, oh, that's a different one.
Okay.
Okay, sir. I think it's time to sign off, sir.
Done.
Have a good day, sir.
Thank you so much. Vedant, for arranging this. I mean, it was a good time.
It's absolutely a pleasure, us, sir, and thank you all participants with us. Have a great day, sir. Have a great everyone day.
Take care. You too. Bye. Take care. And stay safe.
Stay safe, yes.
Take care.